Hey, what's going on everyone? Here KTR Kadir. This is a super awesome tutorial about how to create a text-to-speech application using Swift programming language in brand new Xcode 12. Let's dive into the tutorial. Before that, subscribe my channel for more videos. Here, I created the new project, Xcode 12 project in iOS application. Here, there is a blank view controller and a storyboard was available here. Now, I am going to add some text view and buttons on a in view controller. Now the text views I am adding the text view to the view controller and adding the embedding the navigation controller to the view controller. Then only we can get the title for the navigation controller for the view controller. Then I am adding the constraint for the text view for the each sides. Then I adjusting the height and width constraints for the text view. Okay, that's enough. This text view is for used to when we type some text, then that will is easy to speech, as well as now I am adding the button and taking the duplicate for that, and I am adding the embedding with the stack view. Now there is a two buttons, one for the clear button and another one is a speech button. Now I am adding the constraint for the stack view based on the text view. Then I am setting the height constraint as a constant as a 40. Then I adjusting the width constraint for that for the stack view of button is equal to 1. Then I am updating the stack view distribution equal to field equal. Then I am changing the button for title for buttons. One is a clear and another one is a speech. This is enough. Then I am changing the top constraint is equal to with multiplier of 1.2. Now it's a perfect. Then I am going to add the IB outlet for the each UI elements by changing the left right view, and I am drag and dropping the each UI element IB outlets and setting the title for the instance. Then I am adding the a touch up inside action for the buttons. So for there is a two buttons, so I am creating the one button action and I am linking into the two buttons, so we can get the each button action at the same place. So we have to check the whether the sender is a clear button or else a speech button. So I am checking like using if condition, like a sender is equal to speech button. Likewise we can find the which button was tapped by user. One is a clear button and another one is a speech button. Then if the clear button was tapped, we have to resign the text view, resign first responder. So as well as we can set the text view is text is equal to empty, become first responder, as well as when the speech button was tapped, we can set it as a resign first responder. Now the sender is this is an that's called setting as any. So I am changing into the UI button. Then only the button will be passed into the if condition. Now I am creating the setup function to change to set up the UI element in the view controller. So I am setting the setup UI views and calling on the text view did load. Now I am changing the customizing the text view using some layer constraints, layer like a corner radius as well as the borders. Border color. Now UI color dot block dot CG color. Then only we can highlight the text view in our view controller, because of our view controller is white as well as the text view is also white. So that now I am running the project on the simulator. Now we can quick check the whether the UI is better or not. Now that's ready with the text view with the dummy content. Now it's okay, fine. That is a clear button, and another one's a speech button. Now we are going to create the speech service Swift class. Before that, we have to set the dummy we don't need to show the text view dummy data, so I am setting as empty. Now we can create we can change the color for the buttons, then only the look will be very good. So I am changing the color into the green, and as well as the text color have to show on white, so I am changing to the button style. Then I am creating the new group and setting as a speech service. Instead of that, now I am creating the new file, Swift file. I am setting the file name as a speech service. Now I am going to create the new class, that's a singleton class, speech service, the subclass of NS object. Creating the shared instance variable. That's a shared instance, because of we don't need to init for every time. Now I'm creating the speech synthesizer for to speech the text, so I'm importing the AV kit, and I use the AV speech synthesizer and initting there. Now I am going to create the speech methods. Once for the start speech as a input as a text, as well as I am creating the AV speech utterance with the input of string, that's nothing but we are passing the text, as well as utterance voice is equal to AV speech voice. Yes, AV speech synthesis voice. With the language or identifier, we can we can define that. So we are going to do, before that we don't need to set the each thing. So I am using the NS linguistic tagger on the dominated language and passing the text. Then the system will be automatically find the which language we have to pass on the AV utterance. So I am setting there on the using language. Then I am calling the speech synthesizer dot speak the utterance. Now when we tap the button, we can call the start speech function, then only the text speech will be work. As well as now we have to stop the speeching, so I am creating the another function that's under stop speeching. There is no input at all. Now the same speech synthesizer dot stop speeching at immediate, then only the speech synthesizer, the text to speech will be stop at the time itself. As well as whenever we call the start speeching, we have to stop the previously started speeching, then only that will not collapse. Now in the button action I am going to call the speech service dot a shared instance that is not available. Yeah, we can go to the, we have to set the static let shared instance, then only we can get, before that build it. Now we can get the shared dot start speeching with the text of the text view dot text. Now we can run the project. Now the empty string, empty text view, now I am typing some content on there, like something from the suggestion, or else I type something, welcome to the text to speech application implementation.
Hey,
Now
welcome
when
to
I tap the button,
text-to-speech application
the
implementation.
system will be speech the what we giving the input on the text view. Now I am going to speech service and change the utterance of pitch multiplier as well as rate, because of we can tune our speech synthesizer. So I am creating the pitch multiplier by we can the default as well as minimum maximum values. Now we can see the 0.5 to 2 is the minimum maximum value, as well as the default value is a 1. So we can set it as a default value, as well as we can create the one variable for the pitch as a float, then set it as a default value as 1. As well as we can pass it the variable, as well as utterance dot rate is equal to the default value is the utterance speech utterance minimum speech rate as well as maximum speech rate, that's a minimum maximum value. We can set it as a speech utterance speech rate is equal to rate. We can create the another variable and setting as a maximum speech rate. Then we can get the speech rate as a, that is will be speedily the speech will be pronounced. Likewise we can change it, as well as we can change something to customize by the UI. So I am adding the removing the top of the button constraint and dragging to the below. Then I am adding the UI label for the pitch as well as pitch value, then adding the setting title as well as pitch and setting as a value, then embedding with the stack view, then adding the slider for the pitch rate, because of we can adjust from minimum to maximum value. So that then I am grouping the label as well as a slider to the stack view and adjusting the stack view objects, as well as I am taking the copy of that and setting into the rate, that's nothing but the speed rate. Then I am grouping the two pitch as well as a rate to the stack view, so that a group of customization we can do it. Now I am setting the constraint for that, for the grouped stack view. Yeah, we can set we don't need to set the priority. We can adjust the stack view to fill proportionally, as well as we can change it on the for rate, as well as we can change the spacing into 10, as well as on the pitch rate. Now it's okay. Then we can change the alignment for the value label. Now that's good. Now we can add the IB outlet for the each slider and value labels by drag and drop from the storyboard to view controller shift class. Pitch value label, as well as the slider, pitch slider. The same thing like for a speed rate. So I am setting the speed rate value label, as well as a speed rate slider. Now we can use the two slider into our code, like using the before that we can set the function for the value change to function for the each slider. One is for the pitch slider and another one is a speed rate slider. Now when we adjust the speed rate slider, we can dismiss our the keyboard. So we can set the pitch value label dot text is equal to pitch slider dot value. Here it's nothing but when we adjust the slider, we can get the value from the slider, then we can show it on the value label. Like this, same thing for the speed rate label. I'm setting on the, as well as we can reassign the text view when we adjust the slider. Now the error was we have to convert the float to string, so I can create the string format with the floating of 0.1. The same thing for the speed rate. Now it's okay. When we drag the slider, that will be shown on the label, as well as we have to pass the pitch and rate to the speech service. So speech service dot shared dot rate is equal to the speed rate slider dot value, as well as same thing for the pitch values. So I change to pitch slider value to the pitch variable. Now we can set the default value for the slider value, as well as minimum maximum values for the slider, each slider. First of all, we can check it on the speech service. Then we can set it as a default value as 1, as well as speed rate as occurrence. Now I am going to set the minimum value as well as maximum value. Default value is 1. Now minimum value is 0.5, as well as pitch slider dot maximum value equal to 2.0. Likewise, I am setting the same thing for a rate slider. The minimum value is I am setting as a maximum speech rate, as well as a minimum speech rate. So I am going to a view controller, then setting as the default value as the maximum speech rate, as well as setting the minimum value as the maximum speech rate and minimum speech rate. Now we have to add the UI, import the AV kit for the view controller, then only we can access the variable. Now it's okay, now it's fine. As well as we have to show on the initially we have to show on the UI view, so I'm setting the text label.text for the pitch rate, pitch as well as rate, speed rate. So the same thing I am copying from the function for the value changed like this. Now when we pass from the slider, that will be pass the value from to the singleton class. Now I'm run the function, running the project. Now we can see the okay. Now I am typing the input for the text to speech. Now when I tap the speech button, it's okay.
This is a speech
We can adjust the speech rate, speed rate as well as speech based on the voice pronunciation will be differ. I hope this video will be very helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.